Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Do you know, Marie Curie's books and her belongings are still radioactive? Do you know it rains diamonds on Jupiter? Do you know, what is the food item that does not spoil even after thousands of years? Have you ever heard about a passport for an Egypt mummy? Watch this video till the end to know more interesting and crazy facts that will blow your mind. Let's get started. Number 1. There are more number of possible iterations in a chess game than the number of atoms in the observable universe. Number 2. It can take a photon 40,000 years to travel from the core of the sun to the surface, but it can take only 8 minutes to travel from sun to earth. Number 3. The Statue of Liberty is actually made of copper. So, it was initially the same color as a penny. But due to continuous oxidation and air pollution, her tone changes to green. Number 4. The Oscar trophies were made of painted plaster due to a shortage of metal during World War II. After the war, those trophies were exchanged with gold-plated metal trophies. Number 5. If you want to watch every video uploaded to YouTube, it will take you 60,000 years of non-stop watching. Number 6. Guinness Book of World Records holds a world record of the world's best-selling copyrighted book. Number 7. Nauru is the only country in the world without an official capital city. Number 8. Drug lord Pablo Escobar spent $2,500 a month on rubber bands to hold all his cash. Number 9. It rains diamonds on Jupiter. According to US scientists, lightning storms turn methane into carbon, which as it falls, hardens into graphite and then to diamonds. Number 10. In a study, it was found that falling coconuts kill more people than sharks. Number 11. The Civil War ended in 1865, but there is still one US citizen alive today who is collecting survivor benefits. Number 12. It's totally legal to escape from prison in Mexico. But what illegal is, destroying prison properties while escaping. Number 13. Apple seeds contain a substance that releases cyanide into the blood when digested. However, they do not contain enough cyanide to cause harm. You would need to chew about 200 apple seeds at once to get a perfect dosage of cyanide. Number 14. Pablo Escobar is the wealthiest criminal in history, having an estimated net worth of $30 billion by the time of his death in 1993. His net worth is equivalent to $54 billion as of 2020. Number 15. 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. Number 16. The strawberry is the only fruit that bears seeds on the outside. Number 17. In an aeroplane, a trip to Pluto would take up to 800 years. Number 18. The biggest fossil of a spider is found in China. It is 165 million years old. Number 19. According to new research, a human nose can distinguish more than 1 trillion smells. Number 20. The first rocket in India was transported on a cycle. Number 21. Acids produced in our stomach are so strong that they could dissolve metals. Luckily, our stomach's internal surface can tolerate it. Number 22. Chocolates can kill dogs as it contains a chemical called theobromine, which affects their heart and nervous system. Number 23. The only food that doesn't spoil is honey. We can get the same odor and taste even after 3,000 years. Isn't it amazing? But only possible to nature. Number 24. The world's most expensive coffee is sold at $500 per kilogram. But the interesting fact is, it is made from a cat's poo. Number 25. On an average, Google is acquiring more than one company per week since 2010. Number 26. On August 16, 2013, Google was crashed for 5 minutes, resulting the global internet usage was decreased by 40%. This fact shows how important is Google today. Number 27. Ducks' feathers are waterproof. A special gland near the tail produces oil which ducks rub all over their feathers, making them waterproof. Number 28. On an average, Americans eat about 18 acres of pizza every day. Number 29. Marie Curie's notebooks and her belongings are still radioactive. The exposure to radioactivity didn't just affect her, it also affected most of her belongings, including her clothes and furniture. More than a century later, now, they are still radioactive and will be for another 1,500 years. Number 30. A single strand of a spider web silk is 5 times stronger than steel of the same diameter. Number 31. Queen Elizabeth II was the only female member of the royal family who served the armed forces. In 1945, at the age of 18, with her father's permission, she was trained in London as a mechanic and military truck driver and was given the rank of Honorary Junior Commander. She is the only woman from the royal family who served in World War II. Number 32. In 1974, the mummy Ramses II was issued with a passport. Yes, what you heard was true. Ramses II was the third pharaoh of the 19th dynasty of Egypt who died in 1214 BC. Because the mummy was deteriorating, experts decided to take him to France for restoration. According to Egyptian laws, anyone who is leaving the country must submit a valid passport even if they were dead. So, the mummy was issued a passport in 1974 and safely returned to Egypt after restoration. Number 33. The world's largest beverage company Coca-Cola offers nearly 4,000 beverage choices. It will take you almost 11 years to taste all the drinks if you taste one beverage per day. Number 34. Do you know, a fully grown octopus has 3 hearts and 9 brains. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, and another heart is dedicated to circulating blood to the rest of the body. Another interesting fact is their blood color is blue. Number 35. Amazon holds the patent on one-click shopping since 1999. It helps users to buy things with just one click without having to enter billing details again and again. On September 12, 2017, the patent was expired. Number 36. According to scientists' observation, gorillas were never known to drink water, as they rely on their food for fluids and other moisture content. Number 37. In 2013, PayPal accidentally credited a man with $92 quadrillion. The company quickly recognized the glitch and the transaction was reversed by the time he had logged in, and made him a quadrillionaire for a single day. Number 38. Fear is one of the most common emotions among all living beings, especially humans. The fear of insects, fear of snakes, fear of failing in exams, etc. All these emotions related to fear were controlled by an almond-shaped gland in the brain, called the amygdala. It means if this gland is absent, we will never get fear, no matter what the situation is. But remember, you will never get any emotion in any situation. Number 39. In 1999, a group of hackers revealed a flaw in the security system of the Hotmail. The flaw allowed any person to enter into any Hotmail account by just entering the 2-letter password E and H. Number 40. It's not a fact. It's a small brainstorm for you. Why does a circular pizza come in a square box? If you know the answer, please let me know in the comment section below. That's it for today. What is your favorite one? Let me know in the comment section. If you've enjoyed the video, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are visiting our channel for the first time, click that subscribe button to stay with us.